Hello everyone, my name is Nishant Krishna and welcome to my YouTube channel Trap Shots. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about 5 lesser known destinations in South India that you definitely should not miss. Coming up first in this list is a Silent Valley in Kerala. The UNESCO World Heritage Site of the Silent Valley National Park is one of the most offbeat places to visit in Kerala. Kerala's best kept secret, located in the Nilagiri Hills, is a heaven for wildlife. Located in the northeast of Palakkad district, Silent Valley was named a national park only in 1984. The forests of the Silent Valley National Park harbor some of the most pristine, unique, and highly productive forests in the world. In biogeographical sense, Silent Valley and adjoining forests represent ecological islands. So there are a few tips when you visit the Silent Valley. First thing is book your safari well in advance. Check with the local guide and ensure that you stick to the schedule. Bring your binoculars for better viewing experience. Be physically fit because you have a bumpy ride and a short trek also. And there are a lot of animals around, so make sure that you don't harm them and also keep yourself safe. Next in the list is the Belum Caves in Andhra Pradesh. Make no mistake, the Belum Caves are the second largest caves in the Indian subcontinent and the longest caves in the plains of India. Formed in black limestone, the caves have long passages, spacious chambers, freshwater galleries, and siphons. Engulfed in mystery, there are 16 different pathways including the main entrance. Moreover, there are deposits of quartz in the caves. The nearest railway station to reach Belum Caves is Tadipatri. From Tadipatri, one can catch a bus to Belum Caves. If you feel somewhat like Indiana Jones, this one holiday destination in South India must be explored. So there are few tips when you visit the Belum Caves. So these are generally open from 10 to 5:30. The ideal time to visit is winter. Since there's a lot of walking there, so make sure that you wear comfortable shoes and also carry a lot of water. The Andhra Pradesh Tourism Board has a hotel near this Belum Caves and they have about a 32-bed dormitory which is available for you. Next in line is the Great Canyon of India, Gandikota in Andhra Pradesh. A small village located right on the bank of the river Pennar in the Kadapa district of Andhra Pradesh, Gandikota is also known as the Grand Canyon of India. It is definitely a place to visit in South India. Getting there might be a bit of an adventure, but once you are inside, there are no means of transportation. Thank God for that. One really needs to spend time enjoying what Gandikota has to offer. There is a great downhill trek through the canyon leading to the river bed. That's why it also makes for one of the most best tourist places in South India. Few tips for you. The nearest airport for Gandikota is Bangalore, which is about 250 kilometers. Kondapuram is the nearest railway station. Now you can actually combine Gandikota with Belum Caves because they're only 60 kilometers apart. And the best time to visit would be in winter, which is about say from September to March. Next in the list is the Chettinad region in Tamil Nadu. Chettinad comprises small towns and villages like Karaikudi, Kundrakkudi and Pillayarpatti of the Sivaganga district. It is mostly famous for its palatial houses that are decorated lavishly and renowned for their ornamental elegance. Some of the houses are so huge and majestic that their front and back doors open up to 2 parallel streets. Also, you might have tried the popular Chettinad cuisine in many of the restaurants, but to experience the authentic taste in itself is something else altogether. You must head to this region, you'll simply love it for its grandeur and food. Few tips for you while visiting Chettinad. The best time to visit is roughly about October to March. Madurai is the nearest airport, which is about 100 kilometers away from Chettinad, and the nearest railway station is Karaikudi. Next in the list is the most surprising one. Do you know that there is a place in South India where you at times get snowfall?
and even the temperatures go to even 0 degrees. That's a place called Lambasini in Andhra Pradesh.
Lambasinghi is a small hamlet located at an altitude of 1025 meters above sea level in Visakhapatnam district of Andhra Pradesh. It is also known by another name Kora Bayula, which in their local language means if someone stays out in the open, they would freeze like a stick. As already established, the village experiences below 0 degree temperature and chilly winds in winter with a spell of snow sometimes. And not just in winters but throughout the year, the temperatures stay below 10 degrees. Interestingly, all places just 2 kilometers away from Lambasinghi have temperatures as normal as the typical place in southern India is supposed to have.
Few tips for the tourists. There aren't too good hotels or accommodation in Lambasinghi. So what I would suggest is go for a day trip from Vizag or Arakku Valley. Start early in the morning because the views that you would find is really worth it. The best season to visit is winter, but only if you can brave the cold. Guys, hope you found this video really interesting and surprising. I'm sure you would want to explore these places really soon. We all hope for the best. In case you like my video, please do subscribe and also hit the bell icon. Few more videos coming up. Till then, signing off, Nishant.